What's up everybody, Brooke from BAD-EMMRs Development. Today I'm going to go over very simple installation of the EMMR. Alright, you got the old style with the outside screw that you can visibly see, and then the new style with the inset screw that you won't be able to see. Don't go drilling the paddle out looking for a screw, you know who you are. So when you get it, it's going to be like that in the package. You're going to take it apart, screw this in to your EMC IC, and then reinstall your paddle. Blue Loctite. Dip it in the Loctite there, tighten it all the way up. Now our spec for this one is about 10 inch-pounds. Do not exceed that, you will break it. And I don't even do that. I let the Loctite do all the work. Get there, tight enough, let the Loctite sit, thing's not coming off again. And the newer style one, inset screw, you're gonna drive the screw in, and then you're gonna back it out. You're also going to dip this in the Loctite here. Put it back in. Get it flush. Install it to your EMC. Put the paddle back in. Back it out. And this one, the torque spec is 5 inch-pounds. But still, like I said, I'm going to let the Loctite do all the work. I'm going to get it tight, give it a little love tap. That's all you need to do. Thing's never coming off.